Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Bobo Fish is probably one of the most essential and delightful additions to your child's bath time routine, transforming ordinary splashes into an extraordinary aquatic adventure that captivates young minds and encourages sensory exploration, making every wash a moment of pure joy and discovery. Number 5. Life Around 2 Angels Bath Bombs Gift Set. Experience the ultimate relaxation with our luxurious bath bombs. They are crafted to transform your bath into a spa-like escape. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with our USA-made fizzies. Each one is carefully handmade for your enjoyment. Say goodbye to dry skin. Our bombs are enriched with shea and cocoa butter to deeply moisturize and leave your skin feeling soft and supple. Looking for the perfect gift? These bath bombs are an ideal present for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any occasion. Surprise your wife, girlfriend, or any special person in your life with this delightful gift set. It's a thoughtful way to show you care. Create your own bubble spa right in your bathroom. These fizzies provide a delightful and aromatic experience. What we like? Experience a luxurious spa day at home with these 12 handmade bath bombs. Infused with shea and cocoa butter, they deeply moisturize dry skin, leaving it soft and supple. If you're looking for a truly pampering experience and want to give a thoughtful gift, these are the perfect choice. What people say. The fish is a good size for little hands to hold and play with. It floats well and sprays water, which my child loves. The suction cups on the back allow it to stick to the tub wall, keeping it handy. Number 4. CozyBomB Magnetic Fishing Toys Game Set. Introducing the CozyBomB Magnetic Fishing Toys Game Set, a delightful way to entertain and educate your little ones. It's perfect for bath time, pool parties, or just a fun afternoon indoors. This set is a fantastic learning combo, featuring over 10 colors and 30 different toy sea creatures. It makes learning about ocean animals an exciting adventure for your child. It's designed for all-round education, helping to improve hand-eye coordination, color recognition, and social skills. It even introduces basic math concepts, making it a great gift for boys and girls aged 3 to 8. Designed for interaction, this game encourages friendly competition between kids or between children and parents. Let's go fishing and enjoy some imaginative role-playing fun together. The fishing rods are made with high-quality, anti-corrosive materials and feature strong magnets. They are perfectly sized to complement water tables and kiddie pools for endless aquatic fun. This makes a wonderful gift for toddlers and kids of all ages for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Buy with confidence, as this fishing game is a must-have companion for your child's growth. What we like? This magnetic fishing game set offers hours of engaging fun for toddlers. It promotes hand-eye coordination and color recognition through interactive play. If you're looking for a bath toy that doubles as an educational tool and encourages sibling or parent-child interaction, this is an excellent option. What people say. This bath toy is designed to float and spray water, making bath time more engaging for children. The toy is made of durable, BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety and longevity. It features a simple on-off switch for easy operation. Number 3. The Honest Company Bubble Bath, Lavender Calm. Introducing a gentle bubble bath designed for your little one's delicate skin. It creates a calming and soothing experience for bath time. Our formula is hypoallergenic, ensuring it's safe and gentle for even the most sensitive skin. You can have peace of mind during every bath. Infused with the calming scent of lavender, it helps to relax and prepare your child for a peaceful night's sleep. Enjoy a tranquil bath time routine. This bubble bath is designed to be tear-free, making bath time enjoyable for both you and your child. No more worries about stinging eyes. With 12 fluid ounces, it's the perfect size for everyday use, providing plenty of calming bubbles for countless bath times. Make every bath a moment of calm. What we like? Create a tranquil bath time experience with this gentle bubble bath. Its hypoallergenic formula and calming lavender scent are perfect for sensitive skin. If you have a little one who needs a peaceful bedtime routine or has delicate skin, this is the ideal choice for a soothing soak. What people say. The bath toy is designed to float and spray water, making bath time more enjoyable for children. It features a cute fish design that attracts children's attention and encourages them to play in the water. The toy is made of durable, child-safe materials, ensuring it can withstand rough play and is safe for young children. Number 2. Dowellin Magnetic Fishing and Wind-Up Bath Toys. Introducing our magnetic fishing game bath toy set. It includes a magnetic fishing rod and 4 adorable wind-up swimming toys. The characters float with magnets on top, making them easy to catch. These wind-up bath toys feature cute fish, duck, and whale designs in vibrant colors. Simply turn the knob, place them in the water, and watch them paddle forward like they're swimming, instantly capturing your baby's attention. Your child's safety is our priority. These toys are made from 100% safe, non-toxic, BPA-free, and lead-free ABS plastic with smooth edges. They meet U.S. toy safety standards, ensuring worry-free playtime. These fun and educational bath toys encourage your baby to enjoy bath time. They can be played with in bathtubs, swimming pools, at the beach, or even on the floor, providing endless entertainment. More than just fun, these toys enhance your child's hand-eye coordination and create precious bonding moments during bath time. They come in a beautiful gift box, making them an ideal present for birthdays or holidays. What we like. This bath toy set combines magnetic fishing with fun wind-up swimming characters. The magnetic fishing rod is easy for little hands to use, and the wind-up toys add an extra element of excitement. If you want a versatile bath toy that keeps toddlers entertained and helps develop their coordination, this is a great pick. What people say. The fish is very cute and colorful, which attracts the baby's attention. The water spray function is fun and engaging for bath time. It floats well and doesn't sink, making it easy for the baby to play with. Number 1. LEGO Ideas 123 Sesame Street Building Kit. Bring back cherished memories with this iconic building set. It features the beloved 123 Sesame Street building and Hooper's store, perfect for display. This set includes minifigures of Elmo, Cookie Monster, Bert, and Ernie. You'll also find figures of Oscar the Grouch and Big Bird, along with other fun characters. Discover Elmo's bedroom and Bert and Ernie's apartment, filled with authentic details. You can even find Ernie's bathtub and a portrait of the famous duo. The fun extends to Hooper's store, Big Bird's nest, and Oscar the Grouch's trash can. This 1,367-piece kit offers hours of enjoyment for yourself or with family. Measuring over 9 inches high, this impressive model is a fantastic display piece for any home. It makes an ideal gift for any Sesame Street enthusiast. What we like. Relive nostalgic memories with this detailed LEGO Ideas set of 123 Sesame Street. It features beloved characters and iconic locations, making it a fun build for adults and fans. If you're a Sesame Street enthusiast or looking for a challenging and display-worthy LEGO set, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The Bobo Fish for bath is a great toy for bath time. It floats and sprays water. It is made of durable plastic and is easy to clean. The bright colors and fun design make it appealing to children. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.